This is Cliveden, and inside is the Lady Astor Suite, which claims to be the grandest suite in all of England. And we had the pleasure of spending 2 nights here. So stay tuned and we'll give you a full room tour of what the Lady Astor Suite has to offer, including dinner and breakfast on both days. And the question I know you're all burning to ask, how much the 2 nights at the Lady Astor Suite in Cliveden cost? But first, Cliveden in 100 seconds.
Cliveden was built back in 1666 by the 2nd Duke of Buckingham as a gift to his mistress. Since built, almost every monarch has visited Cliveden at some point, including by Queen Victoria at least 8 times, where she used to sail up the Thames through Maidenhead from her castle in Windsor. Politicians, celebrities, the rich and famous have all visited and more than likely would have been looking to aspire to the Lady Astor Suite. The house is privately owned, however, the 376 acres in which it sits is managed by the National Trust. The house has beautifully kept gardens, including the Long Garden, Rose Garden, Water Garden, and of course the parterre, which the house overlooks. The immense woodlands is a perfect place for walks in all seasons and great for your 4-legged companions or just a family day out. There are 3 entrances to the estate, the woodland car park on the south side, or if you're looking to visit the gardens and see the house, the main entrance can be located around halfway up, which is opposite a pub. If you're lucky enough to be staying in or have any form of reservation in the house, spa or dining, then you can use the main gated entrance to the north of the estate. Of course, we have to mention the scandal here that rocked the British establishment back in the 1960s. The nation was shocked when they found out that then Secretary of State for War John Profumo had met society showgirl Christine Keeler, which triggered a 3-month affair. It's thought that at the same time Keeler was also involved with the captain of the Soviet Navy, who of course turned out to be a spy. When all of this was released, the British government more or less collapsed as the Prime Minister Macmillan had to resign, citing ill health. And that's Cliveden in 100 seconds. The Lady Astor Suite offers something not many places can, a taste of aristocracy. Luxury is easy, but this goes beyond. We checked in with one person, yet all the staff knew our names and room without us ever meeting them previously. There are no over-the-top hellos, just fine and sophisticated acknowledgements. If you need help, it is here in abundance and the service is like nowhere else, but here, ultimately, you are left alone. Discretion here is key. People don't come here to be bothered, they come here to get away from it all. First night we ate at the Cliveden Dining Room, where we had the cheese souffle and risotto to start, followed by the duck and fillet steak. The dinner bed and breakfast option gives you £75 per person to spend, and anything over is added to the final bill. For the second night we opted for the Astor Grill, open to non-residents. We wanted to try both options, and I have to say we were a little let down here. The positives were the staff and setting. A warm evening meant an enjoyable night sitting outside, and the staff were just as good as the main house. We both shared some bread to start with, which was fine, however we both found our steaks frankly inedible. There was so much chewy and rubbery gristle that we both only managed about 20% of the steak itself, but thank goodness for that bread. Breakfast on day 1 was in the main dining room, and we both opted for a full English breakfast with tea and coffee, and we were told that we can help ourselves to the cold buffet, which was next door, and was that a feast for the eyes. An absolutely beautifully presented cold buffet in a room to match. Our second morning we opted for room service and decided to tick a few more options just to see what the other hot dishes were like, and again they did not disappoint at all with any of the portions here. They set it all up on our table in the room for us to enjoy a very leisurely morning. The big question: how much did it all cost? Well, I have 2 prices to share with you. Firstly was our actual stay, which was midweek. Our 2 nights in the Lady Astor Suite cost £2,254 plus additional room charges of £184.76, bringing it to a grand total of £2,438.76. However, we originally had booked a weekend, but everything was against us for that trip, so we had to move it to the one that we'd just shown you. But the original price for that weekend stay came in at a staggering £4,530. Would we do this again? This was by far a huge treat and something we've wanted to do for a long time. We're here most weekends walking our dog around the woodlands and have always wanted to know what it's like to stay here. We have had afternoon tea in the past, so we had a good idea of just how grand it was inside. It definitely was one to tick off the bucket list. Cliveden is a very special place, and in the grandest suite of all was very special indeed. I'll be honest, we probably won't stay here again purely based on the cost. There is no doubt walking around here elevates you somewhat and everything about it feels grand, and if we had that kind of money, perhaps we would come back, but for now, for us, it's back to the dog walks in the woodlands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give a like, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you've got any comments, just stick down below. Until next time, we'll see you then.